everyone, this is Cassieofalltrades and I'm back for the new year for a fresh start. So today I'm gonna show you a basic highlight regrowth touch-up. So starting with her hair right now, I'm doing a baby light technique and I'm using Schwarzkopf Blonde Mini 20 volume because her hair lifts really quick. I normally adjust my developer depending on the client's hair type and the porosity of her hair. So right now you will just see me focusing on doing some pony lights. So I call this little baby lights around the nape area pony lights because every time you put your hair on a ponytail, this one just connects everything else from the top. My client usually book for partial highlights in between her hair appointments. So as you can see, there's more darkness around the nape area, around the back. So for today, we're gonna be doing it first since we're doing a full highlight look this time. I normally suggest clients to come for full highlights every 8 to 12 months and then maintain their hair with either partial or half head highlights in between. As you can see, I'm just doing slicing and weaving technique. Alternating slicing and weaving technique gives me confidence on actually giving dimension on her hair and giving enough lightness that I need. So guys, we're almost done at the back. Now I'm gonna show you how I did the front area. So this time we're gonna start around the hairline again, and this time I'm calling this money lights. So these are the baby lights that brings brightness around our face. This technique is one of my favorites because it gives that glow and lifted look on my client's face. And then of course, we're going back to slicing and weaving. Now we're actually almost done, so get ready for the finished look. Unfortunately, I forgot to take a video of toning her hair, but don't you worry because I will provide you the formula of what I used on her hair. So here it is, guys, our finished look. I hope you like it. Stay tuned for more amazing videos in the future. Thank you for watching. This is Cassieofalltrades, and I'll see you later.